Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Monday the 29th of July, Keynsham today. Spotted this in the Sense charity shop. You probably know I have a bit of a soft spot for solar kits. Priced at £2. Apparently was £14.99 at some time or other. Yeah. You might recognise it looks very similar to one I did, well, last year now, I suppose it was, but it wasn't that long ago. This one is clearly already been made inside, so it's not the same as doing it from scratch. And I did actually ask if I could open it in the shop to check everything was in it. And we had a look. The instructions are there. And again, you might recognise this from the one that I did do not so long ago. And I'm looking at it and I'm saying, yeah, it does look like the bit that I'd really be keen on, which is the supercapacitor, is missing. But I bought it anyway. Funnily enough, she wrote on the receipt, no returns, because we'd already identified that it was faulty, which is fair enough. I mean, I haven't got a problem with that. But I've just got it home and hanging out, where were we? Well, it was actually sticking out the bottom here now. It's moved because I've moved it. There it is. It was actually sticking out just there, so that when I picked the box up and looked inside, it wasn't visible. And luckily, I put it in my bag to carry it home, so it didn't actually drop all the way out. So, yeah, I've actually done better than I thought I'd done. We have got the whole thing. Whether we got all the bits and pieces, no idea. But now that I've got that bit, I'm not worried at all. I mean, I was happy anyway because we got the electric motor and the solar panel. No doubt if I plug this in and put it in the sun, it'll probably run anyway. Let's find some sunshine. Yeah. So that's a worker. And I don't remember doing that particular bot in the kit that I did before. So it looks like it's a slightly different kit, or assembled in a different way. Let me get that on there. That'll go on there somehow, isn't it? Oh, on there. Right. Oh, I love that one. I'm sure that wasn't in the previous kit. Brilliant. Oh, well, I'm doubly happy. We got the complete kit, and it works. I wonder if there's any charge in this one. Let's... Come on, disconnect. I want to break you. Unplug that. Plug that in there. There's no charge in that one at the moment. Well, we'll leave that and see if that charges up like that. This is the actual battery unit. Batteries go in here. Yeah, it's got batteries in it. Yeah, they are okay. We'll give that a few minutes to charge up and then we'll try it from there. Right, giving it a few seconds charge. And there we go. Excellent. Oh wow, well I definitely got my money's worth out of that. Having thought it was a duff kit, missing the important bit, and then finding it. I'm glad I decided to buy it. I like that one. There'll be a link in the video description to the previous kit that I did that looks identical to me, but I don't remember that walking bot. I've studied the instructions. This is the Space Mech, and it was supposed to have a bit more on top, so I've done that. Put the bits on it. So it is now complete. We are missing these little bits here. That's minor. So we are assembled like that, which is that one. And if we put it in the sun, it works absolutely fine. And I haven't had to spend hours putting it together. And if we unplug the solar panel and plug in the supercapacitor, we carry on working out of the sunlight. Just for reference, that was the previous one I had, and that goes by 6-in-1, whereas this one we've just picked up is 7-in-1. That'll be that extra bit walking that I was on about. But you'll see Mars rover, it's the same as that one. What else we got? Space dog, that's that one. Obviously the astronaut is the same as that one. So it's that extra bit where they've got it walking. Well, they don't show all of them on that one, but that's the previous one. Space station, space dog, explorer, shuttle, astronaut, Mars rover. Whereas this guy is the extra one. Space Explorer, Space Rover, Space Dog, Space Shuttle, Astronaut, Space Station, and then this Space Mech is number 7.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.